Hey guys, this is Nami from justonecookbook.com. Soba in Japanese means buckwheat noodles, and in Japan, soba noodles are enjoyed mostly as simple and light noodle dishes, such as warm soba noodle soup in winter and dipped in cold dipping sauce in the summer. Here in the US, soba noodles are used to make stir-fry noodles and salads like today's recipe. Even though this is not a traditional Japanese recipe, I still really enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed today's soba salad tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you are new to my channel, remember to subscribe so you won't miss my new recipes. Thank you so much for watching me cook today. Happy cooking and see you guys soon. Bye!